The Three Little Pigs. Level A1, Beginner. A mummy pig lived in an old barn. She had 3 little baby pigs. When they became big, the mummy pig said, "You are too big to live with me now. Go and build your houses. But be careful. There is a big, bad wolf. He can catch you. Build strong houses." "Okay, Mum. We will build strong houses. Bye-bye," said the baby pigs, and they set off. "The big bad wolf will not catch us," they said. The 3 little pigs walked. They saw a bundle of straw. The first little pig said, "I will make my house from straw." He took the straw and made a house. "Now the big bad wolf cannot catch me. I built my house of straw. I built my house of hay, and I play around all day," said the first little pig. The 2 little pigs walked on. They saw a bundle of sticks. The second little pig said, "I will make my house from sticks." He took the sticks and made a house. "Now the big bad wolf will not catch me. I built my house of sticks. I build my house of twigs, and I play and dance all day," said the second little pig. The first 2 pigs built their houses very fast. They sang and danced all day. They were lazy. The third little pig walked on. He saw some bricks. The third little pig said, "I will make my house from bricks." He worked hard all day. "I built my house of stone. I built my house of bricks. I have no time to sing and dance," said the third little pig. The 2 little pigs laughed at the third little pig. "Ha, ha, ha! Why do you work so hard?" The third little pig built a very strong house. "You can play and laugh, but you will be sorry when the big bad wolf comes to your door," said the third little pig. But the 2 little pigs still laughed at the third little pig. They sang and danced. The big bad wolf lived in the forest. He was hungry. He went out to hunt. He saw the first little pig in his house of straw. He loved little piggies. They were yummy. "I smell a little pig," said the big bad wolf. "Knock, knock, knock." He knocked on the door. Little pig, let me come in." "No, no, no, I won't let you in," said the little pig. The big bad wolf growled. "Grrr! Then I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll blow your house down." And the big bad wolf blew the house down. The little pig ran away. "Help, help, the wolf is here." He ran to his brother's house. The wolf then came to the house of sticks. The 2 little pigs were in the house. The wolf knocked on the door and said, little pigs, let me come in." "No, no, no, we won't let you in," said the little pigs. The big bad wolf growled. "Grrr!" Then I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll blow your house down. And he blew the house down. The little pigs ran away. Oh no! Help, help! The wolf will eat us. They ran to their brother's house. The wolf then came to the house of bricks. Knock, knock, knock. He knocked on the door and said, little pigs, let me come in. No, 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 we won't let you in, said the 3 little pigs. The big bad wolf growled. Grrr! Then I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll blow your house down. Well, the wolf huffed and puffed and huffed and puffed, but the house was too strong. He could not blow it down. Now the big bad wolf was angry, and he was hungry. He wanted to get in the house. He climbed up the roof. The little pigs saw the wolf climb up on the roof. They lit a fire in the fireplace. They put a big pot with hot water on the fire. The wolf came down, and he fell into the hot water. Ah! It's too hot! The wolf screamed. He jumped out of the pot and ran away. He never came back. Now the 2 little pigs were sorry for being so lazy. We are sorry we laughed at you, they said to the 3rd little pig. And they too built strong brick houses. And the 3 little pigs lived happily ever after. Like and subscribe to this channel to learn English easily with stories. Thank you so much for watching.